Here's your roundup of top carbon dioxide removal developments from this week. Apple announced that Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company and Japanese firm Murata Manufacturing are investing $50 million and $30 million respectively, in its Restore Fund, that is an investment fund aimed at generating high-quality nature-based carbon removal credits. Direct air capture startup Carbon Capture raised $80 million for the early deployment of the company's modular direct air capture units. Google announced a new commitment to contract for at least $35 million of carbon removal credits over the next 12 months, as part of an initiative by the US DOE aimed at helping to scale the CO2 removal sector by funding the sector's innovations and tech. Cleantech startup Furno has raised $6.5 million in a seed funding round, with proceeds aimed at supporting the company's solution to help decarbonize the cement industry. Swiss-Colombian carbon removal startup 𝐖𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 secured $1 million in a pre-seed funding round for its decentralized biochar production, aimed at decarbonizing coffee farming. 𝐖𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 on behalf of their clients have purchased 3,000 metric tons of carbon removal from Novacarbo. 1.5 announced an agreement with telecommunications company AT&T for the purchase of carbon removal credits from 1.5's Texas-based direct air capture facility, Stratos. OCA collaborated with Oregon Biochar Solutions and 𝐤𝐸𝐶𝐞𝐤 Environment to bring world-first invalidation-insured biochar credits to the VCM. 𝐖𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 announced that it has facilitated a purchase deal for 3,000 tons of carbon removal between BCG and Eximad Green. Planboo and Sustainable Travel International announced their new collaboration to boost carbon removals. Capture 6 announced the initiation of a direct air capture pilot in New Zealand. 𝐸𝐸, New Zealand's future energy centre, is supporting Capture 6's journey to develop this pilot project. Direct air capture startup SkyTree launched its newest decentralized direct air capture unit, that is SkyTree Stratus, to capture up to 1.2 tons of CO2 per day. Allied Offsets and Direct Air Capture Coalition have collaborated to create a global direct air capture deployment map. It offers users an interactive overview of all the current direct air capture projects around the world. US DOE issued a notice of intent to launch a voluntary CDR purchasing challenge. The challenge calls on external organizations to join DOE in purchasing high-quality CDR credits. The Net Zero Plus flexible funding scheme is now open. Small research projects are being invited to fill knowledge gaps in understanding the role of woodland creation and management in GHG removal in the UK. Deadline, April 24, 2024. Natural habitats created by new biodiversity rules could remove up to 650,000 tons of CO2 each year, the equivalent of nearly 200,000 round-trip flights from London to New York, according to new research from biodiversity tech startup Joe's Blooms. The Ocean Alkalinity Enhancement Pelagic Impact Intercomparison Project is providing funding, $12,000, for a standardized OAE experiment with microcosms. Deadline to apply, June 15, 2024. That's all from now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.